been way too long. I've been battling on with these crappy cheap mills, which were literally the cheapest ones I could find when I first moved to Japan a few years ago. So very happy to have these now. Pepe, I looked online, looked at all of them, like Durston, everything. I just wanted the best for myself to use. And I believe this set I bought, the 160mm combination set, I think these are the best available from what I saw online. So I'm going to open them up now and have a proper look at them. Wow. Oh, they're nice. So yeah, I chose these because as well as looking like they're built really nicely, the width of that is so important. I'm always putting metal through sideways to increase the width, and the mills I've got are too narrow. Always having to put things through diagonally and stuff, and even still scoring the metal. So with this big flat section, really going to be useful. I mean, really, mills is a rolling mill should be like a precision instrument. They should be dead horizontal, really perfectly opening and closing. We've got peel this off. Got that protective greasy oil on them. Okay. They look nice, they look very good, first impressions. I mean, just doing that, I can tell they're a lot higher quality than what I've been using. Very nice. Mills handles have always got this like little key thing you got to put in. It's a tight fit. Okay. Line up that, see that handle. It's got a screw as well. Alright, let's take it for a spin. I mean, that feels... I'll test it out with some metal as well. What I'd like with mills, I like to be able to feel, because this is like a gearbox and stuff in there, they do kind of feel different when you're putting metal through them. I like to be able to feel how much I'm squashing the metal. Obviously that comes through the handle, how hard you're squeezing it and stuff, but it's nice to actually get a sense of feeling. So I don't like those electric mills. They're so dangerous and you've got no feel, you've got no sense of how much stress you're putting the metal through. So I'd only ever use these hand operated ones. That goes up and down really nice, and oh, these are really good. Yeah, I'm well happy with these. So okay, so I'm going to clean off all this grease on the rollers and test them out. But first impressions, they look nice. I mean, just looking at the parts on there, everything looks quality. The feel is good, actually, the motion of everything. Nice and quiet as well, no squeaks or anything like that. Really solid, nicely made. Yeah, happy with these.